This is Bachmann's Thomas the Tank engine for HO and OO gauge. I bought this second hand as part of the Thomas the Tank engine starter set from eBay. From the side, he looks absolutely spot on, which I expect from most of the Bachmann models now, as well as from the back. There aren't any paint errors on this one like there were on my Percy, but it still has the problem of the face, which again is a problem with most of the earlier Bachmann Thomas & Friends items. I like the fact that it's got, again, like Percy, separately fitted whistles up top. The splash of white along the running board also looks great as well. Now it's time to test the performance of Thomas. Compared to Percy, he is quite a bit louder. I don't know whether that's just because it is a second-hand model, but like most of the other Bachmann stuff I've had, it is a really good performer. So he does run quite well slowly, but I had a couple of hiccups there. But again, I'm not quite sure if that's down to the fact that it's the second-hand model instead of new, like the Percy model that I had. Being that I bought the starter set, it came with a controller, a circle with Bachmann Easy Track, and it also came with Annie and Clarabelle, which are both absolutely fantastic models.